Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering hardware. Connect the Xbox 360 wireless receiver to a powered USB hub or adapter. This is necessary because the controller uses Microsoft's proprietary wireless protocol. Make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 13 or later so native Bluetooth controllers work. If not, you'll need a jailbreak method. Only proceed if you understand the risks. Once done, plug the receiver into the hub, power it, and prepare the controller for pairing by turning it on. Next, you install the bridge software that translates the Xbox 360 protocol to iPhone input. On non-jailbroken phones, this usually requires special hardware. On jailbroken devices, install a driver like a 360 controller or compatible tweak. Put the controller into sync by pressing the guide and sync buttons. The receiver's LED should blink then stay solid when paired. Open the Bridge app, allow permissions, and map common buttons to iOS inputs. Make sure dead zones and stick calibration are adjusted so games respond accurately. Finally, you verify functionality by launching a controller-enabled game and running through input tests. If buttons are swapped, return to the Bridge app and remap. If analog drift appears, recalibrate sticks in the app. For connectivity issues, make sure the receiver has stable power and is as close to the controller as possible to reduce interference. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails, power cycle the receiver and controller. Then resync. This clears transient locks and often resolves detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.